Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can sign up in your Crunchyroll account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you open it up, you will be asked about if you are new to anime or already a fan. So you need to simply choose on it and click on create account. So to create account, all you need to do is enter your email address, and after you're done typing in your email, you need to simply fill in your password and press on create account. So once this is done, you will be simply given a plan which you can subscribe with a free trial or skip for now, and after this you will be successfully signed up into your Crunchyroll account. So this is how you sign up or create your Crunchyroll account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.